As you see, this is the tablet that was given to the seniors at the center. It's an LG tablet. As we start, you'll see what's contained in the box. You have the adapter, you have the wire, and you have the booklet with the instructions. As you take your tablet out of the box, you will see you have to remove the plastic wrapping. Once you remove the plastic wrapping, you take your wire and insert it, which is a USB wire, into the side securely. Once that is securely in place, you attach it to the adapter. Once that is securely in place, you attach the adapter to your outlet. Your LG tablet will come on, but it has to be charged.